It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need.
Sa ka fe som viti mwen se Chacha. And jodi ma prank maman guys. Get out done pa Berkeley, so mdi mvle Berkeley. So konen maman ge business and la fe Bouddha pou Bouddha bagay pou nou. And ou konen i pa gen tan pou i fe manje pou nou, i pa gen tan pou i fe anyen. So mdi mvle Berkeley ko sa. So map di, maman, ou pa jam public, ou pa jam vle fe manje pou nou. And map di, mgogou. And map fache avek. Map we ki je la react, whatever. And map prankly. So, mkone nou guys weme lem fe prank pou nou. Map try pou mfwe api prank, but mba kone si yo avle li. But map try guys, okay? So, map mette camera and nou ap we mwen, okay? Nou ap we ki jan maman ap react. Bye. What you doing now, mommy? What you doing now? Again? Again, mommy? Você vai fazer manger pour nous.
Dormi, I just woke up. What you mean again?
Okay, I thought you was gonna make food for us. Again, mommy.
Yeah, when you levé, ben eu vim
You always do this.
Se embaixo tudo bagagem cai, eu vou cair, eu vou dia eu achava what you talking about.
I thought you was gonna make food for us.
What you mean make food? Pagi bagay no freezer?
We have to eat this box then?
What you mean eat box?
I want real food. You always wanna make us eat junk.
Eat junk food make you eat. Them kill make you eat junk food rather than make you eat.
I need real food, Haitian food. Let's see. Griot, bun, legume and D's, and sauce pot.
Tomorrow I'm gonna make legume.
Tomorrow? What am I gonna eat now? But the box that you bring? Hey!
What you in the box?
Oh Lord. Mommy! I'm hungry, Mommy. I don't even know.
Make something to eat.
You always busy. Every single day you have to come here and do it. I never see you go in the kitchen anymore. I never see you go in the kitchen anymore.
I don't even know what that is. Can you get me a knife? Get me a knife.
No.
Who get me a knife?
I don't even know why that is with you. You don't know what you're
Sorry?
doing.
Is something?
I said I don't know why daddy is with you. You don't know how to treat any man. You don't make
You know how to treat a man?
Yes, I will give daddy food. I will give him some legume. You just
why
say
don't
the
you go
box.
make your own legume? You know how to give him legume, go make a legume for him.
Oh, he should leave you.
What you mean? So some food slap what you mean he should leave me?
He should leave you. You don't know how to treat nobody. You don't know how to treat us. You don't make no food for
Also
us.
now I don't know how to treat you guys?
No. Again, she's doing that. Again.
That thing is not even working. I knew it. Ouch!
Mommy, can you go make us food?
Sasha, leave me alone, okay?
No, can you go make us food, Mommy?
I said leave me alone.
Can you go make us food, Mommy? Oh, I'm sorry, Daddy, before he leave you right now because you don't know how to treat nobody. Like, I can't believe you. I can't do this. Just for the people, you're gonna do all this. Look at those doing.
That's for my business.
You doing
I'm doing
all
it for my
You're
business.
gonna stay like 8 hours on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay 8 hours.
You know what? Just sell a lot of boxes because that's gonna be our food for now on.
Sorry? What?
Just buy more boxes and leave it here for when we hungry. We just rip a piece and eat it.
Yeah, he's gonna eat the box.
Yes.
If you don't know how to do this food by yourself, you're gonna eat it.
There's only junk food in the fridge. I want Haitian food. You don't make no food anymore. You change now.
But when I have time, I cook.
When you have time, you never have time.
Of course I never
Tomorrow
have
you're gonna
time.
stay 8 hours again.
Yeah.
The other time tomorrow, 8 hours.
Yeah.
Other tomorrow, 8 hours.
Yeah.
The moment you're done, guys, you guys want food? Only Daddy know how to take care of us.
Yeah. I'm bad. I say take care.
Oh my God.
Take care. I say take care. That thing right there.
Mommy, can you make us food?
Leave me alone, okay?
You're not gonna do that. I'm
Yeah,
dropping all of those.
Shadi? You dropping my box? Marco crazy.
No, I'm not dropping your box. I'm dropping your bottles inside of it.
I'll kill you. Drop my bottles. No, pour ça ma peau. You dropping my bottles. Bon, if I'm control, I'm going to kill you.
When you're sleeping, you're not gonna see him anymore. And then I'm gonna tell Daddy to leave you when I'm done. Mommy, give it to me.
No, I thought we freaking like that.
I'm just hungry.
You're hungry. Go make something for you to eat.
You want me to eat junk food?
What you mean I want you to eat? Frigidaire à manger?
That's junk food.
Yeah, I am fait manger.
Ah, that was junk food you made. I need Haitian
Oh, now
food.
my food is drunk?
Yes, I need some legging, please.
I'm not making no freaking legume.
Mommy, I need some legging, please. I'm ready for some legging, please.
You want legume? I'll show you my store. Buy the box.
Only you can make good legging, but you don't. I think you changed. Maybe you don't know how to cook anymore.
Yeah, I don't know how to cook anymore. Leave me alone, please.
Mommy, can I tell you something? Can you go in the room and I'm gonna wash your bottles for you. I think I need a.
Leave me alone, okay?
Can I help you?
I don't need no help. I'm good. Thank you. Put that thing down! Put it down!
I'm gonna drop it, Mommy.
You
Mommy,
drop it? Drop it, no.
I'm going to drop
Let go.
No.
Give me my
I'm gonna give you my.
Give me my
Mommy, no.
Look, give me my bottles. You gonna drop it? Drop it, no.
I'm gonna drop it right now.
You think I'm playing with you? Go ahead. Give me my bottle, Tanisha. Give me my bottle. Sumo.
Mommy, it's okay. Mommy?
They must go there, okay? I'm not playing with you.
Okay, bye. Wait, Daddy need to leave you. He need to leave you, Mommy. You don't want to leg him anymore.
Every day I have to make them.
Yes, you do. Look what I had, Mommy.
Leave me alone.
Look what I had.
Leave me alone.
Mommy, it's a prank.
What you mean it's a prank? That's funny.
Yes, Mommy. You okay, Mommy?
That's funny.
It's a prank.
Okay, it's a prank. It's a prank, Shasha. What? I think I'm here. I don't feeling.
No. Are you gonna make food for us now?
I'm not making no food today. I told you that. Today I'm gonna make legume, not today. I'm busy now.
You see, guys, we toujours busy.
Of course. I'm toujours busy. De manger dans le frigidaire, il me fait poisson. Voilà, pour manger. Avec le bateau. What you mean bateau?
I was just playing.
No frigidaire, we was just playing.
Guys, I think
E fini se me de la comédie moi. E avec qui me travail. A occupé dans le chat, on me faire manger. Fréquent. Comme c'est pour faire manger. A occupé dans le chat. Il me fait poisson avec banane. A fait pas comprendre, elle a parlé pas comprendre.
guys, it's just fâché.
Moi je lave bouteille ça dans le chat.
It's just fâché, guys. I'm going to café. A peel prank, I'm fair. Bowl prank, I'm funny. Bon.
Okay.
Okay.
O pão bom.
Where he fâché, guys.
E pão bom. O pão bom.
So then you guys, Deep Sinu Weme, prank sa, and Deep Sinu Vim prank lot moon, cause I'm ready for sa. So,
O pão bom. E pão bom, guys.
then you subscribe, like, and comment. Mommy, what's the last thing they have to do?
Huh?
What's the last thing they have to do?
What?
They have to share, right?
Share, partager.
Yep. Okay, bye guys.
After I like guys, now I know video.